The engraving is not as prominent as shown in the description. But it's still very beautiful. Wish it were a little more visible.
Thank you for picking up for me.
I received this knife for a gift from my daughter. Very well made, beautifully done. Engraving is awesome. I'm going to try to open this knife, one-handed of course. This is not easy. There we go. It's opened up. Very, very sharp, as you can see. Now, to close it, right here. Use your thumb and fold. Simple. Comes with a clip. Beautifully made. Love it. I will purchase more. Thank you.